Can we speed up the slowest process in an auto repair? In an auto repair shop, what's the slowest, dirtiest, most frustrating task? Clean. But today, that changes. In a repair shop, time is money, but there is one step stealing up to 30% of your profit. Time consumption breakdown, cleaning stage, rust removal 35%, and engine carbon buildup 28%, oil grease on parts 22%. Traditional cleaning faces three major torments: the risk of chemical corrosion, dust contamination, and less rework. Compare the chemical cleaning and laser cleaning. Laser cleaning is more efficient, zero contact and no pollution, and very environmental friendly. Cleaning efficiency increased by 200%, and the equipment wear and tear vertical zero, and the labor cost a one-person operation. And the cleaning is not a bottleneck, it is a profit point. Labor cost saving improves customers' satisfaction, faster table turnover, one device, the refold returns. Efficiency improved by 30%, 10 more orders per month, and chemical-free, save environmental compliance costs, reduce failure rate, minimizes downtime losses. Are you still spending half a day washing just one car? Meanwhile, your competitor have already upgraded their equipment. Wall renovation in community, public facility maintenance cost reduced by 6%. Furniture refurbishment, restoring vintage furniture by stripping old paint, zero damage to the substrate with refurbishment. Premium increased by 300%. Industry, rust removal for metal structural components, online cleaning without production downtime. This is not just a revolutionary tool for automotive repair industry. It can also be used in industry, community projects, refurbishment, and cleaning. Where there is a dirt, there is a value. Click the link below now to explore more application scenarios and cases demonstration. Don't let the slowest step hold back the full speed advancement of your business.